Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to control multiple IKEA Trådfri lights with one remote, but still be able to control the lights separately, as I'm demonstrating right now. This feature I could not find on the internet and the manual wasn't particularly helpful. In December 2017 I bought two Trådfri sets. One of the sets came with a colored light bulb and a remote control, the other set came with a white light bulb and a motion detector. Straight out of the box, these sets are paired with either the motion detector or the remote control. So let's start. First, we're going to make both the lights listen to the one remote. This is relatively easy. If you already have paired the lights you want to control with one remote, you can skip this step. Also, if you want to use the lights with a Philips Hue Trådfri Gateway, then pair the remote to that system first. But let's go. First we're going to open the back of the remote. Here we can find the pair button. Press and hold that button near the first light you want to control. The light will start blinking and eventually turn to its brightest. At this point you can release the button. So now it blinks and that bulb is joined with the remote. Let's move on to the next bulb. It will make things easier if you power off the bulbs that you already have connected to the remote. So let's power the next one on and do the same. Get the remote, press and hold the pair button until the light blinks and turns bright. There we go, and release. So now we have paired the two light bulbs with one remote. So if I push the power button on the remote, both lights will go off. So now for the trick. Watch closely as I do a fast double tap on the right arrow key and press the on-off button. The remote gets into a toggle mode, so I can power off one light at a time. If I press the brightness button, both lights will go into on mode. It might seem a bit strange at first, but it will get relatively easy. So now for the bonus trick, we add the motion detector in the mix. First we need to reset the motion detector. This is done by pressing the pair button 4 times. A red light will blink at the front of the detector and we release the pair button. A remote or motion detector that has been reset listens for other controllers and will copy its signature. So we're going to send that signature by holding the pair button on both devices. Hold the pair buttons until both red lights are off. And there we go, both red lights are off, and now we can start playing. So goodbye, I hope it helps someone, and see you next time.